So, another really awesome big day in the mail today. I got my second White Fox shipment. So, this is the second out of, I think, 5. Yeah, I've been busy up all night ordering White Fox. Anyways, so this is the continuation. So the leisure suits, those are the sweatsuits that I've been really interested in, and I've been all about them. And I've actually worn 2 of them already. The shadow color, which is like this dark, not black, but like it's in between black and gray. It's called Shadow, and it's a crew neck sweater with the matching pants, and they are just amazing. I've gotten so many compliments on them. Last night I actually wore this sweatsuit, the White Fox logo sweatpants, and this top, which I got in my last haul, which this hoodie is definitely big. I got a medium large in this, and I'm literally swimming in it. Like, this is way too big, even though way too big for oversize. I would recommend sizing down. Just for reference, I'm about 5'7", 140 pounds, and yeah, the medium large is way too big. Way too big. Anyways, still amazing. I'm still gonna wear them. So in my last haul, I got the hoodie of this volume 3 White Fox. So I got the hoodie, and I think I got these in a medium. No, actually, these are a size small. These are the Offstage sweatpants, a size small in Glacier Gray. So I'm actually really excited to see what a small is like. You can definitely tell this is going to be a little bit more fitted. It's going to hug my hips and butt probably. A little bit tighter, which, you know, that's also a good look. The inside is pretty soft, but yeah, these are hot. Super hot. Super excited to wear them. So this is actually my 3rd sweatsuit, and I ordered the Azure pants for this Azure Offstage sweater. I don't think that they're in this bag, but they're in a future haul that's coming up. So stay tuned. All right. And guess what? More sweatsuits. Oh my gosh, is this a dupe? A dupe? No, okay. This almost looked like the shadow color. You know, it's like a grayish purple almost. This is the Offstage sweatpants, size small in Volcanic. Okay, so this is Volcanic. It's a very similar color to the Shadow, except it has this lilac color volume 3 White Fox logo here. Same type of sweatpants with the cuff at the bottom. Really soft interior. Oh, you could just snuggle up in this all day. Actually, I spent my entire weekend, well, almost all of it, in one of these sweatsuits, and let me tell you, amazing. I didn't want to take it off. I think I wore my Shadow sweatsuit for like at least a day and a half. All right, what's next here? Oh, the matching hoodie. So this is the Offstage hoodie in size small medium, Volcanic. You can see it's got the matching lilac logo here, volume 3. Take it out of the bag. Let's see, this is a small medium, so yeah, this is definitely smaller, but still pretty big. This one is not oversized. This is just a regular offstage hoodie, small, medium. Usually if they're oversized, it says it in the product name. But check out the back. You know, in one video I was watching, they say you can tell how high quality a hoodie is by the way that it hangs. Like, the stiffer it is, the better. I don't know if I believe that or not. This one is pretty soft, so it doesn't have that stiffness, but just thought I'd share that. Can't wait to wear this sweatsuit. And what's really exciting is I ordered some stuff that's actually not leisure sweatsuits, so cannot wait to try that on. Oh, and by the way, what I'm wearing right now, amazing. It's not White Fox, it's Beach Bunny. It's one of their tracksuits. It's reminiscent of Juicy Couture, except I think it's cuter. It's got this cute little bow here. Super cute, super cozy, super comfy. Definitely, I feel like I'm in pajamas, but I'm not. It's awesome. Okay. All right, guys, never mind. I have another pair of sweatpants to show you. And great, I think this is definitely a dupe. Whoops. So I already have this. I ordered two. Maybe I can sell it on Poshmark. Whoever wants a pair of small, medium, offstage shadow sweatpants in a size medium, let me know. Super cozy. Love these. Love these. Now I have two. All ripped. Now for the exciting part. I cannot wait to see if White Fox's other types of clothing will be good for me. Yes, I am not 25 anymore. I'm 40. So I struggle with, should I wear this? Should I not wear it? I'm a little bit more conservative in what I wear, hence the sweatsuits. You know, I still love the brands all the young kids love, but I need to be cautious, right, of what I wear. I don't want to look like that old lady who's like trying too hard, you know. I like what I like, so I wouldn't even say I'm trying hard. I just, you know, I like White Fox, so I'm gonna shop there. All right, okay. Now this is the Into You bustier, size medium, obviously in white. So this definitely is looking a little see-through here, but it's super cute. Super cute. Look at the cute little buttons. And it's a medium. So I have like double D's. You can't really tell since I do dress discreet. So I'll have to try this on. Definitely I would wear probably something very high-waisted with this to cover up my mommy pooch. Need a tummy tuck, that's a whole nother story, but this is super, super, super cute. I love it. I wonder what type of bra I would wear with it. I'll have to do a try-on. I'm gonna do a try-on. I'm gonna try to do one soon. This is my amateur attempt at showing people White Fox. Oh gosh, this shirt is amazing. This looked like a basic tank top and it looks like one, but then when you feel it, it's got that really thick, like that thick, stretchy, high quality material. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. This is not, I thought it would be like a sheen type quality, but it's so not. So this is a size medium, and this actually looks really small for a medium, but it's got a lot of stretch here. A lot of stretch. I guess it would fit. I think it would fit. Yeah, this is going to fit. It will be tight. Definitely would probably, I don't know. It's actually so tight and thick that I might be able to get away without wearing a bra. But I like the fact that the tank top straps here, it's thicker, you know, it's like 2 inches ish. So I could put a bra under this if I needed to push them up. Yeah, I mean, I love this. It has like the cute little white fox name in the center. It looks like a little Prada, you know, little Prada moment there. Actually, let me see this. Yeah, see? It's got this Prada. Very similar. I think that's probably what they were going for. So yeah, that is the end until the third haul, which should be coming any day. Super excited. Keeps the day fun whenever I hear the mailman.